Seems all my life I've waited for someone like you. Sounds cliche but crossed my heart, I swear it's true. See, things like this don't happen to me. That's why I find it hard to believe there's someone who accepts me as an imperfect man, who sacrifices for me and who understands. Someone who will love me unconditionally and never stray. That someone is you. It's always been you. Forever I give all of me to you, till the stars refuse to shine, till the oceans all run dry and I can no longer breathe. My love is yours eternally. Oh, you, my perfectly heavenly you. I pledge my life to you, my one and only you.